In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar to Bigin CRM. This is a fantastic way to keep all your appointments and tasks in one place, seamlessly integrating your scheduling and customer relationship management. Let's dive into the steps together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate over to the Bigin website. Once there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. If you're new to Bigin, you may need to create an account, but for this video, we'll assume you already have one set up. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, take a look at the panel and locate the Activities option. Clicking on Activities opens up a whole new section of the platform where you can manage your tasks, meetings, and other engagements. It's essentially the nerve center for all the action within Bigin CRM. Next, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. There you'll spot the Google Calendar icon. This little icon is pivotal for seamless integration. Click it, and it will prompt a decision point, whether you want to sync your events or contacts. This choice depends on your personal or work-related needs. Both are equally essential, but they serve different purposes. If you choose Events, Bigin will sync your planned activities and meetings with Google Calendar. This is perfect if you're looking to manage all your engagements on one single platform, ensuring you never miss an important meeting or appointment. On the other hand, if you opt for Contacts, Bigin will sync your Google Contacts into the CRM. This is incredibly helpful for users who want to keep track of all customer interactions and ensure that all client and prospect details are smoothly pulled into the CRM, making communication and relationship building more effective and streamlined. After making your choice, follow the prompts to authorize access between Bigin and Google Calendar. You may need to log into your Google account if you haven't already done so. Grant the necessary permissions, and voila, your Google Calendar is now linked to your Bigin CRM, allowing you to stay organized and on top of your schedules like never before. To round things off, take a moment to navigate back to the Activities tab where you clicked on the Google Calendar icon. You'll now notice that your chosen events or contacts are available right within Bigin CRM. This integration ensures that all changes made in either platform are reflected in real time, providing you with a robust and dynamic calendar experience. And there you have it. Linking Google Calendar to Bigin CRM is that straightforward. By following these simple steps, you've opened the door to a more organized and integrated approach to managing your business and personal schedules. Thank you for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in maximizing the efficiency of your CRM practices.